Alright. Spy camp trainees that are on deck, you are circus performers. You are jugglers.
Jugglers?
Jugglers. You also have the opportunity to train with high wire artists and a lion tamer as part of your routine. Okay? This time, I'm going to let you guys have free reins on this one. All I ask is that you exit lower left and sing.
What were they supposed to be doing? Juggling?
Juggling and tightrope.
Juggling, tightroping, and lion tamer.
Oh, okay. I didn't see the lion tamer.
There goes the whip.
The lion tamer.
Pope James is up on the high wire.